Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
It is. If you want to make it non-mandatory, you will go. So for that, if you're saving as draft, so from where you can able to get it when you saved as a draft, you can go to. You can go to. Manage. And then. Okay, after saving as draft, I'm showing you so that you will not lose your data, whatever you have created. And, after going into Manage Spending Higher, go to Draft. And after going into the draft, you can search here. When it will show here the list, whatever the hiring you are doing, that name will be reflecting here. It is still in the process. Now you can see here the list of the names. So when you're hiring somebody and if you're saved as a draft, you can check that name will be reflecting here. And again, you can click on that name. It will redirect to the same page. Is it clear? So if you do a save as draft, we can. Can we see the employee like we are seeing able to see as employee profile or people profile for him? Employee profile is not created. You are on the process of creating employee profile with the help of add new employee. Now, while on the process of creating when you are doing add new employee, you start up in one section. Okay, you got stuck up in some section, but you do. If you go out from the section you will enter, data will be lost. Getting my point? So you have to do from scratch onwards. So rather doing from the scratch onwards, what you can do, you can save as a draft and then rectify the issue. And then, if you want to work again, what you need to do, you go to the Manage Spending Higher, go to the draft from here and search for the user, search for the candidate which you are trying to create. And then when you go and click on, it will again take you into that Add New Employee page. Okay, I understand. Okay, great. Rahul, you are telling about that event. Reasons. So for event reason, when you are apart from India, suppose if you are going and creating any user for other country. What you need to do, you need to check here. Go to the Manage Data. And you need to go to Country Region, and suppose I am going for India. Okay, so in India, when I go here, I will go to make corrections, and here I should select the event reason as new hire. Okay. Suppose the same thing if I am going for something for Belgium. Belgium. And in Belgium, you can see we need to select the event. Got it, because it is blank. So if you're hiring somebody for Belgium, it is the event. Reason is blank. So you have to come here and you have to check that event reason is added or not, whichever event is. Okay, got it. Any questions here? All good, fine. So this common issues which you can able to get while doing hiring event reasons. So which country you are going? That country you can go and search here in the managed data and check that country. That event reason is blank or.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@uptalk.com.